Right, hi folks. Well, I hope every single one of you are all safe and well, and yous are all in good health. Now, rolling on past, as always, is these wonderful, wonderful people. Every single person there is a YouTube channel member. We don't use casino links. We're not affiliated to casino in any way, but there's anything wrong with that. I would honestly use them if I were higher stakes, but on these stakes and personally, we don't need them. And our newest member is going to roll on past there, Stephen Pickrell. And thank yous all so much. And whether you get it, don't get it, cancel it, renew it, it's honestly all happy days. Then we've got a shout out for Pins, Logs and the Reg at Ryan. That's his Instagram. He's doing music and stuff. And then we've got a happy birthday to Rachel. It's Rachel's 40th, so happy birthday, Rachel. I hope you've a great day. And if you want a shout out, just let me know and I'll get it in the next one. Then the top comment for the last video, and third with 3 likes, we've got Michael Hind. And second there with 4 likes, we've got Filthy Slots. And then in the top spot there, we've got Playing Slots, IV. And thank yous all so much for all your comments. And please keep them coming. It honestly makes doing the videos so worth it, especially when we're losing. And then at the end of every single video, we've got the community low stake big wins. And you need to see this. Wait to see the one at the end of the days. It's unbelievable. So please get them into us. Send them in. Email us. Sorry, I'm losing track because I'm watching that. Right, sorry, I'll just keep this in. Right, so email us at lowstakeslots@yahoo.com. There it's there. That's what I've been waiting on. I've got it run the wrong way, but there you go. Just get them in. It doesn't matter how many we're getting sent in. Just please keep sending them in. Now there's no time limit on when the wins will go in a video. I might make it minimum 400x, not maybe get the pile down a bit, but I don't like leaving anybody out. But please, just doesn't matter how many we're getting, just keep sending them in. And what I've been doing, I've been giving you an update when it's sent in the emails. I'll let you know a couple of days before the wins are actually going in a video. So just as I said, please keep getting them in. Right, I'm lost. I'm actually losing track. Right, we've made a fresh deposit at Video Slots, and there it's there. And I just like to show you stuff like that. So we'll kick it off of here, and then it's a bonus hunt. Right, I'll bring these back in. Deposit complete.
Here we go.
Come on. Love it. Love a fresh deposit.
Right. Let's saw this.
Earn your 300.
Aye,
that's
200.
the 3 spins. There it's there.
There it's there.
200 cash and 200 bonus. Yo! Come on. Right, now, we like to show you stuff like that just so you know everything's above board, and that's how you can show it on camera easy.
This casino looks as if it's got all the games.
It's got everything. This is it's popular Video Slots, so just we've never ever played here.
This is the first we've went
But
here.
we usually take it easy. We don't know. See how the site's been playing, see what's happening.
Aye.
But whatever happens, we'll bring you straight back in. Come on, man. Come on.
Right. Wait till we... That size. Oh, tease. Yes! Yes!
Yes! Yes! Yes! Yes!
That does it. Get in.
Bye.
Show that it's no hard.
Bonus!
Yes!
bonus!
It's hard! It's hard! The Queen. The first. Got it. Tens, we've got them.
10, keep going.
9 in the third. Plenty of room.
Get the 9 in. 9.
For the mega. Oh.
Oh. Super King.
One? What? Oh, I have to think so.
There we go. Out we go. Out we go. Watch. No, 5, bonus, bonus, bonus. Still gone to £4.
Still going.
£4. Oh, come on, I can't help.
Yes!
I can't help, the eyes were shut. The eyes were shut.
Me one. Oh. Oh, that hot.
Okay.
That hot then. I thought it missed then, but it's hot though.
Superb.
Aye, it's hot them all the way.
Oh, come on.
We need it that.
I did,
I
mate.
thought it had missed it. 10 to
Yeah,
6, look. See, look.
Ah, so
It
it is.
was them.
Yeah, that'll do.
That was the first. We'll just play these out then because
We're up
it's
to
just.
£7. Get in! Stop!
Yes!
Stop! Yes!
Yes!
Yes, up £7.
Ken's teas. Oh, the Wonder Wheel Award. That's. What?
Please. Please. Yes! Got to play it, got to play it! Right, hang on. Right, this is the new ELK, but it's not a bonus on friendly.
We get the teas there in the third spin and we've landed a bonus in the fifth spin.
Fourth or fifth, right. Here we go.
What happens here though? One missed wildfire. I think you can take a look there.
Right, we're doing a bonus on, we don't want to give it away. Right, come on.
I haven't a clue what's happening here.
Zero clue what is going on here. Whatever they are, they're adding in there though.
Aces.
Just need them to gun. On fire. Only need 9. Oh, it's just to go up the symbols, look. We need these in.
Oh, the trees. It's the
Look,
trees.
Aye.
How many spins have we got?
I think it's the she gets to the end here. We need 4 on.
Oh, it's for her to start again.
Watch. No, not
Maybe.
to go up. Then, see it's taking away the symbols.
Aye, level up. Aye, she
Aye,
did.
yeah,
She comes
she's
back again.
back
I
in.
thought that. There's hunters.
Hunters in.
Oh, you need 40 though, that's how.
I must pay.
There's a bell.
There's a
The
skill
bell
out.
ringing in an elk
There's a
game's
skill
always
out.
good.
There's his skills out.
It's always good in an elk game.
ELK.
Oh, here we go.
Super
Super.
one. Mate,
Oh,
they're
he's moving. He's moving.
He's moving. Mate, oh, come on. Mega one.
Mega. Oh, 12 and a
12.50.
half.
Keep
Still
that
have to
coming.
go to.
Keep that coming then.
Trees.
Need 33s.
That's can't
They're
buy.
sat at that hive. You get all the way up there.
We get this in a pound.
We're struggling though.
Ah, we'll struggle to get that.
Fill the screen again.
Oh, need 10.
Oh,
Oh, we're going to just be short there. 12. Unless she goes once more and she goes out, maybe. Oh, we're done there, anyway.
need 10. She
10
does
trees
go
needed.
to.
Oh, look at that.
6.
That's alright.
1730.
1730.
Right, now we don't want to give away the bonus on, but that's nice.
That is so.
Isn't it? Right, what do we? Yeah, that's us.
Take a spin.
There, we're up to 156. And the bonus cash, it doesn't show
No.
on video slots, but there, that's happy days to that. Right, back to the bonus hunt.
That's just teasies.
That's just teasies. That's just teasies, you say. Oh, come on.
Get
Come
in.
on, man, we're up. Yes,
Yes, oh,
yes, we're up.
yes.
Come on, I told you. I told you.
Oh,
Get
second
in.
spin.
Yes, yes. Peter Tails, far rabbit, and far rabbit it is. Yes.
The match here. Only need that one. That's us. That's us. That's us. That's us.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Right, hi folks. Right, we've managed to get
14.
14, and you should see some of these games. Now, we get 300 free spins on Dead or Alive 1.
Aye.
We get 21 or 22 pound.
£21 we had.
21, right, so we've spent 121, but you're basically starting with
Aye.
100, and we've got
Still got
14.
100 there.
So we've spent £100, right? We've got Sword of Grail, Greta Goes Wild, Doghouse, East Coast, West Coast, Real King, Cluster Crystal, Riches Are Robin, Wild Machine, Sword of Cans, Mysterious, Super Flip, Golden Glyph, Fat Rabbit, and TNT Tumble.
We did try a few that we'd love to get on,
Aye,
but
it's just with loads
get
of,
them.
and I mean
Loads
loads of
of
losses.
losses.
We lost £27 on Sweet Bonanza.
aye, Chicken Escape was teasing like
Checking it.
mad.
But hey, we lost £50 between Rabbit
quick.
Hole Riches, Sweet Bonanza, and
Tower Quest.
Tower Quest.
Aye, quick they went.
But we'll
We
kick
went,
it off.
the first game on the new site for us, we went for the original, didn't we?
Straight on to the classic.
Here we go.
Sword of the I'm looking forward to this, mate.
Well,
This is
hopefully
good.
1 or 2 pie here.
But hey, we were up. See, there were some of them where we were actually up. We're
Aye.
up £7 on that Wild Machine.
Here we go then.
Sword of the Grail, sir. Right.
that's
Hey,
on.
I'll need to turn that down a bit. Come on, Sword.
Get the swords in.
We're due hammered on it though. It's been playing well for us, mate.
Oh, we need.
Yeah, 1 sword. Even times 5 would do.
Mm-hmm.
2 stacking down.
Sword.
Yeah, that'll do.
Oh,
3.
stacking down.
3. So there, that was a 2 stacking down, then the 3. That shoots that at times 10.
Mhm.
Get them
Need
multipliers
these
in.
wilds,
They've
so-
got to hit. Nah. Due hammered on it.
Oh, this is it then.
L2. I need 3. L1. 2 and a spin.
Not had a penny, have we?
No.
10 spins.
No. There's the first one, aye.
First one.
Now 40p.
Look at all them come back to haunt us there.
Yeah, well, we'll do
Well,
that
I hope
tournament.
that's the worst bonus out the way.
Mate, some
start
of these are good. Loads of requests. Loads of requests in here. Right, number 2. East Coast, West Coast.
This is a new game.
No limit. And you know what new limit's like. They can pay. There it's it. There it's there.
This could be anything here.
See, we're just getting used to how the site works, but it's good,
Aye,
isn't it?
It looks lovely good.
And the wager's getting hammered. I've not a
Oh,
clue.
you pick.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Right there. Right, that's the highest volatility on the right.
so it is high
Right.
risk win more often.
So if
Maybe kick it off with the West.
go for the low.
Well, I don't know.
That's that, right, go, right. Go then.
Don't know what's what here.
I'd amount the high.
What?
Jack.
Look at this thing.
240.
Oh, it's different
Multipliers.
things up the top. Missed it though.
Come on, but
Linked.
linked.
Oh,
3 reels linked. Premium.
premium pies.
Right, get that in there. Match that. Nearly.
That's quite good, this, isn't it?
Aye.
That thing goes along the top. Look at this.
Multipliers. Premiums.
Oh,
Missed.
I quite like this, didn't that?
Aye. Nothing. Times
Let me
5.
see this happen. Oh, the dog.
2 spins left. Aces. Last spin. Don't know what that does.
That is a real.
Oh, the
just
multipliers.
missed as well.
They're 639.
That can be quite good, that.
Aye, we'll go the high volatility next
East
time.
Coast.
That was only £1.
Mm-hmm.
This is profit, right? Number
3.
3, Real King.
11 spins.
Aye. Aye, it was the no, was it the Super King we got?
We got Super King.
And we got that early and all, but it was orders after that £39. £4 it was. In fact, you'll get to see it here.
Aye.
Oh, right, and I need to turn that down. That one. This is actually copyrighted.
Is it?
Aye, it's,
Oh, aye, it's showing us.
aye,
Here we go.
it's straight in.
And then the 10s were hitting.
That's right. Could I get a 9 for the Mega as well? I'll put the music on the top of this. Just need to remember to turn it back up. I thought it was going to cheers.
Did you?
Aye. It's cheated us 4 times that last time. Remember, we had to gamble. It went on for the time before we had it. We
Aye.
get the £39, we had to gamble it 4 times. I'd seen the Mega. I've seen four of them in,
Aye, 4 spinning at once.
and it's up to 25 spins.
There we go.
Yeah, look at that.
10 spins.
I stopped on it, was it 11?
I think
Oh.
it was 10.
10? Aye. Aye.
It'll be enticing as my nice gamble here. Oh,
No,
was
it was
11?
11. See, I thought that.
Did you see the gamble?
This'll be it. It will be. Right, come on, do a nice spin on this bit. We've been unlucky. Oof.
16 spins there.
But you're getting nothing.
And another day you would have went for that.
Aye.
And then went for it again, but
You go to take that. Mate, 8 spins, I get 72. 8 spins it
you
was.
just need to be lucky
£72.
here. Here we go then.
I can't
Wild.
believe this is copyrighted. There's a wipeout.
Jack
He's a
in the
jack.
third.
Jack or a money bag.
What the jar?
Money bag or plum. Ach,
Times 3 with 10 spins.
come on.
Oh,
Money bags.
Money bag.
120 just for that. Need a plum pays.
Plum does pay.
Ach,
I did it.
plum is paying there.
Times
Double
four.
twice there. Come on.
Wild.
Come on, man.
Oh,
Look at
don't
all
do
the
this.
tens there. Don't dead spin.
Don't waste all the spins already.
Oh, come on. Cherries. Melons are hitting.
Aye. Need an ace.
Yes, are in. Yes, Jack.
Jack, no. 2 spins.
Come on. Come on, at least three trigger. Or nines. A money bag.
Prize.
A money bag or a melon, yes.
This will be 2 with nothing. 2. Nothing.
He's hard to get them all.
Aye, 2 with nothing. Called it well. Come on.
Right, times 7 here, 4 spins. Come on. Ugh,
Kings.
kings. Money bag.
Jack.
Jack. Plum. 2 tens just for that. Come on, 2 spins left. Nah, I'm gonna hit it big on it one day, mate.
Yeah, you need some more the way along.
Aye.
Just keep missing, but
Gonna hit it big one of these times.
10.47.
10.47, see there, that's nice.
aye, you better turn that up again.
That one. I can't see for there.
What number are we at?
Number 4. Oh, Wild Machine.
It's a new one
It's been requested so many. Aye, no, it's not a new slot, it's a new one for
for us.
It's just cause it's pragmatic.
Aye. Here we go.
How much? Real King was only £4.
It's alright, £10 something.
Aye, this is loads of requests
This
for
was
this.
tease after
Teas,
tease,
aye,
that's right.
It's about 9 teasies.
Look at this.
I've not a clue, mate. Not a clue.
You
Oh,
want
it's
this low free
it's one of the
spin?
free spins.
Oh! That looked as if it was going to it, then bounced back.
Is that it? No.
That's that.
Oh, way.
That's,
Well, we're up anyway because we get the nice spin. We're up £7, there's 4.
oh, we nearly get the free spins in for you.
See, I don't
No,
know.
we did- I
Not
never
a clue.
played that before, me and
Never
a
played
half.
it. Right, number 5, Mysterious.
You used to like this shit.
Now this, see, we've had this, right? But we've never actually, it's never paid us, but I've seen huge ones on it.
Here we go then. This was early.
This was... Well, we're up again, up £3.
Right.
Something's due to go huge in these bonus hunts, mate.
Surely.
There's something's due to
Surely.
go off the chart here.
What you need
Right.
to...
We've
That's
no,
usually.
right. We've always took that one. You want to try that one just for a change, or you?
Try that if you want.
Right, try it just for a change. We've always took that and never got it.
Aye.
It's never ever paid us the other one. I think you need the clock thing on. There's
Yeah,
one. Yeah, times 6. Now what?
Look
Yeah,
at that.
look.
That's unreal.
See? Get the clocks on then. 3 spins left. I think you can add more spins onto it with the clocks though.
No wonder. Oh, that's nice.
Times 6 again.
That's nice.
Nothing on the last. There.
I
Fabulous.
knew it was nice. That
Yeah.
clock.
Look at that.
Look at that
that
thing
go.
go.
Nothing
There's a
on the
decent one
last
for
there. There we go. Keep going.
That's a nice one for us.
There's a score.
30 quid.
Nothing on the last. 26,
£33
40.
altogether.
Nothing on that
I
last
know,
reel.
look at that. Last spin.
That can re-trigger.
Oh.
Get in. That's for more spins. Get in. Yes.
Yes.
3 spins locked.
Nice.
That's what this pays. 3 spins at this. Times 3.
Look at this thing.
Match that.
Oh,
Just missed it. See, they're locked at ×3 here.
aye. Go.
Oh!
No.
No. Yeah. That's nice. That's happy days.
Aye, is it?
There, that's the most we've ever won on that.
First.
The other one, it's
Just
just...
it went for a wee while with them.
Right.
33-30.
33-30. Take mark that in the book. Right,
Right.
number 6. Super flip. That's nice. There, that can
That
just
was
get, it can
nice.
keep re-triggering.
Been a while since we had this.
Ah, it was only ages ago.
Super flip.
I actually cannot remember it.
Nah.
Right, how much? Mysterious, we were up £3. Super flip cost
well
us
already.
4.
Aye, 15 free spins here.
I cannot remember this at all.
Oh,
Need a win, man. Come on. Where's the wins?
they give you the bonus then down this way. You. Oh dear.
Come on, there's a
First
win.
one.
Is that all it is? Is free
That's all it's
spins?
won, no,
Is that all you get? Just free spins?
This is it, doesn't seem to do anything.
What?
So what's the super flip all about?
I've not a clue.
Oh dear.
Come on.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, oh dear. Maybe a reason why we've not been on it.
Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, definitely.
There we go.
That wasn't very good.
£4 that cost us. £4. Right, number 7.
That's
Golden
not a
glyph.
Number 7.
Golden glyph. Oh, this is where we was about £5 left out of the 100.
Aye, we get started
We
getting
get-
a few in quick.
Golden glyph, fat rabbit, and TNT tumble in that fiver.
And then lost it in that Rocket Fellas ink.
Ah, Rocket Fellas Ant took a good wee bit. Golden glyph was a fiver.
Right.
£5. I think we'll struggle to get a
I think
fiver.
we never got a penny at this before.
Ah, we get 0. I think we'll honestly struggle to get a fiver.
Think so?
I could be wrong, no. Hope I am. But you've got to
This
keep
can
getting
go
it.
away.
You've got to keep getting the re-triggers. I've seen nice ones on it though. Right.
Here we go then.
Yeah, we're starting with a £1. Well, that's an alright start. At least we're getting that.
Guys, that
Well, that's not too bad. Ah,
never helped there.
come on, one that's wilds here.
Well, that's my one.
It's wild, a wild after this next one if it wins here. There, times 5 to match that in there. Wild, there, that's
Aye,
alright.
got the guys.
There, times 6. One more win off and more wilds here. How'd that miss there?
Yeah.
See, you've got to get the re-triggers. There, times 7 as well. Times 8. No. Times 8 to. Come on. Nah. 3 spins left.
One off it there.
Nearly a fiver.
You know off it again.
There's Wales one here.
No.
Last spin. Wales again. Nah.
Too many dead spins there at the end.
We're close to a fiver.
431.
What's this? It was a five. It cost a fiver, but the money back. Right, number 8. Right, here we're getting into the good ones.
Aye.
Right, a fat rabbit. And this was about second or third
Second
spin.
spin.
Second spin. Fat Rabbit, Greta Goes Wild, TNT Tumble, Doghouse, that Clustered Crystal. So we've got all the good ones to come here.
That's sitting real.
We need one more game to pay like what that Mysterious did, and we're sitting, we're alright. And this is one that
these
can
in
do
early.
it. I gotta get these in straight away here. I don't like it when it's a way over that end. On carrots. Well, I'll do it. Carrot spin.
Oh.
Ugh. Need it to land there. Ugh.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. Can't complain, it was in early.
64 pence. I'm glad we got it second spin.
Oh, you better believe it.
When it's paying that.
Right. Okay, I cannot leave on a win. Right, Greta Goes Wild. This has been
You've been
requested
waiting that.
so many times. Just we couldn't play it. They never had it. Captain Spins, Kasimba and Playground don't have it. I've seen huge wins on it, mate. Huge.
Are you?
Aye, massive.
See something else huge.
Oh dear.
Right.
Right, come on.
What we're looking for.
It's the Wilds. They'll lock remain sticky. Too well same you the multiplier goes up. Just get the Wilds on. We need something to pay, mate. We need at least 30 quid.
2 of them, 3 of them.
Well, I'll do. I'll
Take
do
the
it.
one at this side though.
Right. Well,
Oh,
come on.
look at
There
that.
more.
See if they were at this side or there.
Right, come on, get through 2.
Multipliers to.
Ah, mate.
Oh, look at
See,
that.
look.
Look at
Real
that.
1 and 2 here.
Look at
This is a fortune.
There's hearts hitting.
Come on. 1 and 2, man.
Spins.
Oh,
Oh,
get in.
no.
Oh, man. Look at that.
to far end.
Wild,
Oh,
man.
mate.
Even the
Nice,
now.
yes.
There's 9s.
2 spins left.
Come on, 2 spins to get that in. Wild.
Yeah, the
Well,
guy's
that's
hitting.
nice. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Look at that.
10.56. Last spin. There she's to.
Look at that.
There she's
top
to.
symbol.
There she's
Top
to.
symbol.
Is it? Is that the top symbol?
Aye, that second unit
Oh,
come
the
in.
second reel.
It missed.
1680.
1680.
Right, do you see what I mean now?
That gave
It
a fortune.
well, it's like you can actually get the wild line.
Aye, look.
Ah,
missed
right.
it.
I thought you meant him. I'm wrong.
No,
Yeah, huge one.
that's nice.
I was unlucky for that. Was up nearly a
Was?
massive one.
2 scatters got to spin that.
Right, Greta Goes Wild. 16. One more like that, and we're sitting all right. Do it then.
That's how I spin
Good
it
would
again
have
there.
been. Got to spin it for that. If he's in now, can't leave on a win, man. Right, that's us.
That was playing real there.
Right, number 10. Oh, Soda Cans. This came in straight away. Was this
Aye,
no?
that- we've tried this and not been able to get it.
See, it owed us a bonus. Been on it a few times.
Waiting
Where
for
is
a
it?
re-trigger.
I think it was it no third spin. It was
It was early.
third or fourth spin.
First tease.
This can pay.
12 spins here.
Aye,
I'll say 12 spins.
7. Usually it likes to give me 7. Right, there's 175. We only need 25 quid.
12
And then the
spins with a
22.
queen.
Come on, anything above 7.
12 spins with a queen.
Anything above 7. A 10,
10,
I'll take that. And halfway. Good symbol, that's nice.
Oh, aye.
Just looking for a re-trigger.
Here we go then. 3 of them would be alright, I think.
3 of them's actually not too bad. 3 of them now a fiver. It's just a re-trigger though.
Aye, it's getting to
That's all I'm looking for is 2
Rise of
stars.
melon and all that.
Aye.
You're looking for the re-trigger.
Once it starts, it usually just keeps going. That's nice profit I know, mate.
Already, aye.
Oh, and even teas. Teas for the re-trigger.
Tease.
5 spins left.
Yeah,
There,
that's-
first reel. Get in. Yes!
Nice.
More! More! There, come on. There we
Nice.
go. Come on, man.
Nice.
One more. See even just one more re-trigger. It's nice. It's
10.
Come on, 10 again. 7.
Ah,
Good symbol. There, him.
top symbol.
Come on.
3 of them was in there too.
Three of him's alright. More.
Oh,
2
2.
and 2. 2s and 2s.
2s and 2s.
2s and 2s.
Oh, look at that.
Well, what?
It's for 2.
He pays. 3 of him.
Does he?
3 of him's nice.
Come on.
Come on. Imagine a full screen of him.
Oh, fortune. 2 again. This is building up nicely
Aye.
here.
Third spin, mate.
Third spin,
It's
nice wee bonus here.
There's still good bonuses to come here. Do it again, I dare you. I dare you. Get in. That was close.
nearly.
That was close.
Uh-huh.
Come
2
on.
of him in again.
5 spins left. Even 3 of him's nice. There's 2. Another 3 2. 3. Please. I can't
Big
yell out.
trigger, don't let it. Yes!
Yes, the eyes were shut. The eyes were shut.
On double figure spins here.
Come on, man.
10
The
minimum.
head was down, the
I'm
eyes were
greedy.
shut.
10 minimum.
Come on. Come on.
This is turning into a nice wee bonus. Third spin.
Aye. Mate, we're due some that on it though.
We were. We're on double figures here.
Come on. 10. 10. 9.
Ah, now take 9.
Take 9. Take 9 all day long.
King. Huh? What's happening here? Double. It's double.
Double. Times
Get him
2.
in.
Get him in, man.
Double.
I never knew it could do that.
Oh,
I never knew it could do that.
get him in. Near the door.
What?
First I've ever seen
I've
that.
never seen that.
Oh, even 2 6 quid.
Imagine
then.
4.
Oh, it's a fortune.
Get him
him
in,
in.
man.
Oh,
Oh, don't do this. Still 6 spins. 2.
where is he? Yes.
Get it, please.
3's up. Yes. That pipe.
4.
4 was a bomb. 4 was a bomb. It had double. Double.
4 was the rower.
Oh, 4 was an upper roll. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Three.
For 3. Oh, come on. Yes.
4 was a
4 was
fortune.
a bomb.
Oh,
4 was off the
5
chart.
spins left.
Come on, man. 62. Please.
Well, too busy looking for him to
Aye.
miss the chance to
The
re-trigger
re-trigger.
there.
Oh, please. Have I got to
Don't
shut
look.
the eyes?
Yes!
The eyes were shut again! The eyes were shut
On
again!
10 spins.
Oh, come on! Yes, the head was down, the eyes were shut.
Big.
10, 10, 7.
Oh, 7. Can't it be him?
Come on. Another
So
premium.
symbols.
Another premium.
Look at
Come
this
on,
thing.
man. Oh, please. I've got to do it again. See, I never
2
felt.
guys.
Is it? I never
Aye.
felt it that time.
Nah, you didn't.
I should have looked.
Well, this is 6 bids, it no for him.
Aye, aye. That's
And 2
crazy.
shields.
Come on, man.
Armour.
Still 10 spins.
10 spins and look at this, 70 quid.
Oh, come on, man. 3.
Nice.
That's 3 shields.
Oh, 3 that top symbol now.
Oh,
on.
come on, man. See if it had done the 4, mate. That was crazy.
Oh. Oh.
No. There's 3.
Take that.
This is going to hit 80 quid here.
That is so.
Come on, man.
Get
Come
the
on,
in,
guy.
Get the guy in.
Oh, that was
Oh.
close.
2s and 2s.
2s and 2s.
I didn't ken it, didn't I?
I never knew
Same
it doubled
symbol
to
win again.
Aye. I never knew that.
Maybe 80 quid.
Nice. Come on. Oh, him.
Oh!
Imagine 3 of him again, man.
Fortune.
That's another 40 quid. Look at this. Come on.
What a bonus.
Still 4 spins.
Third of cons. Couldn't have landed it for long enough.
No, couldn't
Then
get
getting
it.
it up, getting it third spin, and it goes like this.
You fancied it though.
I did.
Him. Retrigger.
Oh,
3.
them. See a re-trigger
Look.
there. Which is this? 6?
6 quid. Still 3 spins here.
Get him in.
That's the. I need to facilities. I've got to look away.
There, let's look away.
Please.
Yes!
Yes!
Two guys, I was waiting for the guy there though. I was watching for the guy
Come
there.
on, man. Oh, the head was nearly in the flare. Playing.
Boy, 10 spins.
man. Come on, man.
With 100 quid.
Oh, come on. Come
Yes.
on. £99.90p.
See if it's that guy again.
Come on, please. 10. 9.
See if it's that guy.
Oh, that guy times 3.
So top symbols.
Aces.
Yes. That'll do.
Happy
Mix
days.
it up a bit. Oh, come on.
Come on, 10
Get the
spins.
guy in.
Ace.
Starting to lose what you're looking for here.
See, look, their eyes are melon.
too
You,
much.
you don't know where to look.
3 anything though. Oh,
Oh, good.
2.
See a full screen, mate.
That guy's
Anything.
paying a fortune.
Oh,
Doubled.
please.
Re-trigger.
Please. Oh, can't I look again? Oh. I need to watch the next one.
3 aces.
Phone.
3 aces there. Oh, 3
Oh,
suits armour, 2 guys
two
there.
Him.
Wonder how much 4 suits armour would be.
We're only missing one. Premium, the helmet.
So we are.
I don't know, so it's good.
5 spins left.
Aye. Check
Look
that
at
out.
this for
12
a
quid for
bonus.
3.
Lovely.
Come on. Come on, cheeky tease, cheeky
There's a
tease,
guy.
cheeky tease. I've got
Get-
him. Guy,
get the guy in, mate,
guy.
That's a 40
Get the guy in. Guy. Oh,
There are two.
I had to watch
Any
that
guy,
there.
because the guys was there.
I had to watch
I
that.
always want the guy me on
Aye,
the
so
I always
was
want
that.
for that me on the sword. Look at this go.
Come on, still 4 spins here.
Oh,
Shield. There's
two
a
guys
shield.
again.
There. There's a shield. I've never even seen the guy.
Aye, 2 of them again.
Oh my days.
We were ever due all the bonus hunts, 15
Aye.
slots, 10
There was
slots.
15, 10, 12, 10.
This is what we were waiting on. One
Aye.
game doing this. Just nothing done it.
Come on, man. Still 3 spins, mate. 132. Guy,
Aye.
guy.
Oh,
Come on. Ah, there's
2.
2.
That's nice.
That's nice. Oh,
Last
that's
spin
happy
coming up.
days, man. That is happy days.
Last spin.
Come on. Three guys.
42
3
spins.
guys. Oh, look
Look
at
at
that.
that.
That
Lovely.
is so overdue in a
Lovely.
bonus hunt. That's honestly what, about 40, maybe more bonuses in a bonus hunt. 15s, 12s, 10s.
We just couldn't get a
Oh,
thing.
look at that.
Just
Happy
let it
days.
count up there.
Happy
at that.
days to that. See if that 4th guy had a hit.
I'd like to have seen much that would
Oh,
have been there.
£138.
£138.
Cash.
Cash.
Right, I'm lost. I'm actually
Oh,
lost.
there we
Where
go
are we?
then.
Hang on. But what's next? I'm
Sort of
like-
Cans was number
Sorting
10.
Oh, so Robin of Richies next. We've Robin of Richies, TNT Tumble, Clustered Crystal, and in the doghouse still to come.
It's Richie's and Robin.
Richies or Robin.
Aye.
Aye. Come on, man.
Here we go. We get this before a while ago and it paid alright.
Paid a good bit.
What was his luck of the day?
Sword of Cans was due
Oh,
to pay his
brilliant.
mate. You fancied it.
I did.
You did.
I did say.
Happy days to that. So overdue in a bonus hunt. So overdue.
Aye, was it?
Right, here we go. Just looking for the re-triggers here. Re-triggers and money bags. Ah,
Oh.
there's one in. Come on. There's
Send
in
in
again.
again.
Oh, come
Get
on,
in.
please do it. Get in, get in. Ah!
Oh,
That's when it pays. That's when it starts to pay.
times 2 there.
Aye. That's what we're sitting at times 2 then.
That's alright.
Come on, 3 spins left. Even the money bags. I showed to the money bags.
Oh,
And again. You usually get 4 money bags.
it's always been in there, the
Innit?
target.
Right, last spin. Yeah, come on,
Last
do it
chance.
then. How is that no in? Money bags. You usually always get the 4 money
That's
bags
still
as well.
alright.
Aye, I think.
684, we were up at it, I think.
We were up 6 quid.
Aye.
Yeah, and
There
then
we
there's
go.
another 684. Right, number 12. TNT Tumble. You like this? Shared with
I've
one.
not played it for long enough.
Was it on 40, I think? We got 40 on it before, but then the next time we played it, we lost about 27.
Aye, got hammered into them.
It pat us off a wee bit. But it was, I think we were up again on this. TNT, I never even wrote it down, it was quick.
Aye.
Right,
Oh,
it's,
what's this?
it's the same as it's the middle one.
Temple Tumble.
Like this is where you can get the spins and the multipliers. There's a spin straight away. Come on, you just need the drill in.
Yeah,
Like that. Keep going down, then it's the same for the re-trigger.
Aye.
Just the one the extra spins are in it in there. Only need it those 3 for the re-trigger. Need it the drill.
Oh.
That's for a multi, the purple crystal. Yeah. Nearly 3 spins on multi here. Last spin though.
Too late.
There's a spin.
Get that.
Look at that too. Good
Oh,
symbol.
got it. That's better.
Yeah. That should be doing. We're doing at level 3 here, I think. Hell, look.
Aye, I seen.
And
was better.
that's only a look. Look at that. That's
at
only
that.
a ×2 multi. There's 15 quid last spin here at level 3.
Oh, look
Oh
at
no,
that.
there's +2. +2 spins. Come on, Wild. Oh, that should have been a win.
Waste it.
Waste it again. That's nice though.
That is so.
I think we were up. I think we were up a
We
pound
were.
at only cost. I thought
16 quid.
15.92.
Nice.
Come on, man. Right, number 13. Oh, clustered crystal.
This was looking promising.
Right, we've clustered crystal and then the doghouse for last.
We left Doghouse for last because we've not been on it for a
Been
while.
on it for a while.
So,
This was sitting good.
this was. Seen the winds coming in when we cut it off.
I think there were a £4 one line, maybe more.
Were they?
I'm sure. Could be wrong though. I could be wrong, but I think there was. Here's the thing. It's messed up. I need to click it off.
No, load it up right.
And that. Load it up again. It's sitting a good one in there too.
Scatters in early here. The Wilds.
Right, come on.
Right, it's sitting a good one in
Yes,
that
it
cluster
is.
crystals.
And then you get the multipliers in. We'll get it after this. Right, come on, doghouse. Twos and threes.
Yeah.
Come on, more. There's
That's
2.
twos.
There's a
Threes.
3.
That's nice.
That is nice. Well, that is nice. 14.
See
Come
these come
on,
in
no.
early.
Get them
Come
in
on.
early. Fill the screen.
Come on, come in early.
Come on. It's even just real 2 and 3.
I know. Oh, look.
Come on, man. 9 spins left already. There's one. It's a ×3 though.
Get one in.
Get it in the now. 8 spins left, get a couple in. Come on. Ah, wrong reels.
Wrong reels.
Come on, 6 spins. Look at
Look
3
at
in a row.
that.
Look, 4 spins as well.
I'll waste it.
Wait, have we had a win? I don't think
No.
we've had a win.
No. That's terrible.
We've not had a win. Comes in now.
Still nothing. Oh dear, Jocks.
Oh dear,
That
oh
was poor.
dear.
You let us down, doghouse.
Aye.
Really?
How much was it? Wait till you see. It was £3, so it's about the money, right? Right, we'll take a spin and then we'll go and see if we can sort this
Aye. Crystals. Cluster
cluster
crystals.
crystal. Right, we'll bring you back in. Right, hi folks, we've got it working. We actually had to put shut the full
Just shut
side
it down
down.
and that.
Right,
here
here
we
we
go.
go. Oh, it's showing you the bonus.
Oh, aye. So you will see the win coming in.
I'm sure there's a £4 win line. There'll see 180 there for that, and then it's
Look
the
at
blues. Are these blues and all that? Aye, there.
Aye, there's the
£4.
£4 you seen.
I knew it. Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, we're only one win off the
Oh, them
what's that?
again.
the 6.
680 there.
What's it happens when you get the 6 wins again? Cluster something.
Aye.
Oh, there's a re-trigger chance. And
Next
again.
spin.
That's a re-trigger chance, mate. Come on, this is where this will pay.
Oh,
1-1. 1-1.
got it.
Bonnet there. Re-trigger plus 4.
4 free spins.
Hey, get these the multipliers in.
Oh.
There's another chance. And again. 1-1
Right.
for another re-trigger.
Oh,
How was that no the reds there?
it's hard to understand at times, this.
There's no multipliers dropping in though.
No.
You need that for the money. There's only 4 spins left. 844 though.
Oh,
Ah,
look, 3 of
right,
them.
watch. They jump up now, watch. How's that not a win with that?
Missed everything too.
Every win with them, the double. 2 spins left. Right, come on, re-trigger chance.
That's not a lot for where it was
Aye,
there.
2 spins.
Oh,
Missed
missed
it with
it.
the multi. Not a win with the multi there.
Nah. Oh well.
1082 though.
1082.
It never cost that much. A fiver. A fiver.
We'll see
Well.
what's what. We'll cut this off. And
Right, look, there's 6.21% through the wager.
aye, it shows
down the
you
bottom.
each game you play.
Yeah,
So we
right.
don't have to show the wager.
Aye.
There we go.
Just give it a call there.
Right, there we go.
347, right? That's we're up 147 cash,
Cash.
and we're 6.21%
Wager
through
done.
the wager already.
And it's
Already.
went off a
Isn't
wheel.
it? And we've only been at it for what? When did you cut a bit half?
A few hours.
10,
4, 5
5 hours.
The first wee session.
6% through. Great, that's we were due that in Sword of
We were.
Cans. Well
We're
overdue.
due something to take off there at 30. Sword of
Sword of
Cans.
Cans. But in the bonus on overdue something. Well overdue.
Definitely.
Right, I'll say happy days to that, and I'll bring you into the big ones. Right, big win time here, and what a bonus hunt. That's the first bonus hunt. I don't know how long we actually get one of the games to pay. Actually, we love going to a new casino, and it's turning out to be a good casino, but happy days to that. Now, kicking us off there, we've got Andrew Campbell with 422x here on Return of Kong Megaways, and here's Danny Peacock there on Helcatraz, 585x here, 20p into £117. And here's Barry D there, great to see him in for you, Barry. He's on that bouquet of odds, 648x here, 50p into £324. These are great ones to kick us off. And here's Dave A there on Curse of the Werewolf, 740x, 20p into £148. And here's Luke Gillette there on Kraken's Lair, 10p into £74, 744x. That's a great one. That's a great one for 10p. And here's Gary, fish and chips here on React Tunes, 852x there, 20p into £170. Honestly brilliant ones to kick us off the day. And here's Tommy Blue. No seen a win in for you in a while, Tommy, but he's on that new Circus Delight, 859x there, 25p into £214. And here's Bob McGovern there on Danger HV, 880x there, 40p into £352. All those bells there. And here's Michael Fraser on that Shield of Athena, 1066x there, 10p into £106. What a win. And here's Michael Hind on Book of Dead there, 1239x, 30p into £371. What a win that is. And here's Gareth Curtis on the React Tunes too, 1510x there, 80p into £1,208. What a win, Gareth. And here's Marlon there on the Rise of Merlin, 10p into £211, 2117x. What a win. These are crazy they do. And here's Keenan Bell there on the Razor Shark, 3184x there, 20p into £636. And here's Craig Ewan here on Gorilla Gold Megaways, 4959x, 10p into £495. What a win. But check this out from Matthew Ellie there, 7905x here on Spartacus Megaways, 20p into £1,581. What a win that is, and that's why we love showing you low stakes is where the fun is, but you can win crazy amounts. Now here come the channel members. We have Sharon Williams, John 75, JK, Sterling Fallen, Brightside, Philly K, Froggy, Cheese, and Lee Stewart, Tinkell, Lee Stewart, Christian Franco, Points, and Go to this game, Jason Parker, Planeslots, IB, Gary Curtis, Ian Pitt, Billy Hall, Tommy Neve, DJ Shady, Sean Duffy, thank you. Ghost Chili, Tyrannosaurus Bob, Tony Sharn, Bins Hogs and Rez, Paul Jones, Anthony Duffy, Astro Wars, Gary Conway, Haggis Renner, Dan Hall, Brad Keenan, Keith Porter, Mike Wine, Polly B, Rich McGowan, Happy Nights, Michael Fraser, Small 1082, ADC Rodriguez, Nicole Hopper, Raymond Hughes, Mark Smith, Barry D, Dan Finn, Jeff UK, Don't Call Me Shelley, Crazy Tara, Falco Folk Cam, Tubby Fruits and Jackpots, Craig JW, Casimir 57, Cooper Roy, Sean Thomas, Roy Smith, Sean Duffy, Real Rangers Rhino, Andy H, Nats 84, Matt Lennis, Kevin Stewart, Billy Hall, Stephen Webster, Cassie, Bo Davies, Judd B94, DK Shogun, Tubby Vetter, Just Giano, Nosh Roma, Andrew Burford, DJ Jazzy Jeff, 420 V9, Sir Stephen Dennison, Andy 1716, Matty Potts, Richie, 8, Paul Cosgrove, Josh Easy, Stephen Smith, David Mission, Chris and Toker, Scott Fuzzy, and Stephen Pickrell. That has took me so many attempts because I've changed things. It's honestly, that's about the 30th time. But thank yous all so much. And if you have any big ones yourself, please get them sent in to us. That honestly, it throws me. You see, when I change some, about 30 times that's took me. But thank yous all so much. And if you have any big ones, please get them into us. lowstakeslots@yahoo.com, and we'll get them in a video for you. Now, I've just got to say, folks, I hope every single one of yous are all safe and well, and yous are all in good health. And please stay safe, folks, but we'll leave you with the usual. Thanks for watching.